Pawpaw's Bees, Funny Bug Bees and Woodworks. This is another one that I picked up last night. This one is, they tore me up yesterday afternoon. So, I checked that trap 2 days ago. And there were not any bees in that trap. All the scouts were there. I got the call from the president of the homeowners association in the neighborhood. The bees were trying to take his house over. They were everywhere. Well, they were all scouts. And I've said it many times, you go on a call for a swarm and you get there and it's scouts, have a trap with you so you can set that trap up, because a lot of the time them scouts want to move in that house. But if you go and set a trap, these girls here, they got a little attitude. They're a little spicy. I may not be doing any grafting off of them, splits or anything else, but I'll keep them because they make some honey now. Them bees with attitudes make honey. But I went down and set a trap. So I set it, I checked it day before yesterday. Goodness gracious. They've got that fully drawn out. I picked these up last night, and I know for a fact they had to moved in late the day before yesterday or yesterday. But I knew they were primed to draw wax. I did see the queen yesterday, so I'm not going to mess around a whole lot. They have calmed down a little bit from what they were when I first opened. They may just not like being open right to start off with, or maybe they're more comfortable now because they see all the other bees. I've lost that hive tool. I'm going to get a chain hanging around my neck. There it is, right where I left it. Alright, so here's the bait frame. I set another trap, and I've always caught. I've had a trap. We did a trap out on a house in Greenbrier last year, and I don't know how many swarms I caught out of her backyard. Look at that frame full of bees. That's the bait frame, and it's heavy, but there's bees all over it. I'm just looking to see if I can spot that queen. I may try to show her. I may go ahead and mark her if I can spot her. At least I do always put that back in my pocket so I can find it. But yeah, I probably shouldn't have tried to open these girls yesterday, not knowing what it was. Now they had already taken it up. This is their hive, and they were defending it. So they were doing what they're supposed to do. They got that completely drawed out. There's the queen. She's laying in that cell, and they got it about a quarter of the way. She's dropping. She's going along laying as hard as she can lay. Let me see if I can get y'all where you can see her. There she is, right there. And she is actively laying in those cells, no bigger now. She's a pretty thing. I'm gonna get her marked. That's what you want to see. That's what you want to see. And she's just as calm as she can be. A lot of times the disposition of everybody in the hive is gonna be her disposition. She sets the pace for them. Boy, she didn't like me touching her though. At all. She is a runner. She was fine until I got messing around trying to catch her. Keeps giving me the slip. I may just leave her alone. I'm not gonna mark her right now because I don't want her to take flight. Let's put her back in there. I ain't gonna mess with her if I miss her twice. To heck with it. I'll get her after they fatten her back up. She's fat and happy. But I definitely don't want her flying. They got that drawn out. This is one of those wonderful examples of what a swarm can do. Let's say 48 hours, which I don't think it's been 48 hours. That's almost completely drawn. So they've pretty much drawn up these 5 frames that was in this box. That's half drawn. That's half drawn. And I just put 5 brand new frames in that 10 frame with her too, because they're right. So we're gonna let them do what swarms do. I had put some duct tape around this because there was a pretty little gap there, and when you're picking them jokers up in the dark, you don't want them to be coming out of there saying, hey, what you doing? I guarantee you they ain't gonna like this bunker business. Box full of bees there. Nice swarm right there. Bunch of bees. Hot pots, honeybug bees, and woodwork. Please like and subscribe. Yeah, they don't like to be manhandled at all. That's what they do. Am I finding I don't put up with junk? That's a good thing. I'm glad they like that. Y'all have a good day. We're gonna do. I think I got one more, and I'll be called up.